Hello, and welcome to a FortiWeb video on XML protection. In this video, we'll focus on FortiWeb's XML protection. It limits XML content, blocking malicious entities like XML external entities, XXC, and schema location injections. It also validates messages against schemas such as XSD, WSDL, and DD. To ensure message integrity, FortiWeb provides WS security rules for encrypting, decrypting, and digitally signing parts of SOAP messages. Additionally, it detects XML signature wrapping (XSW) attacks by verifying signed nodes using XPath and certificates. You can configure exemptions for trusted URLs while maintaining protection for the rest of the application. FortiWeb's signature scan extends to XML protection, adding another layer of security by detecting and blocking known attack patterns and vulnerabilities in XML payloads. Let's go over some examples of XML protection in action. Your API expects an XML payload to process an order with a specific structure. While real-world implementations may vary, we are using the structure to illustrate different attack scenarios. An attacker sends a malicious XML payload that includes an external entity reference, attempting to exploit an XXC vulnerability to read sensitive files on the server. FortiWeb detects the entity declaration and blocks the request, preventing the server from processing the malicious payload. In this case, an attacker sends an XML payload containing a malicious schema location attribute, attempting to redirect schema validation to an untrusted source. FortiWeb validates the schema location attribute and blocks requests that reference untrusted or malicious schema locations. Finally, in this case, an attacker sends a malformed XML payload, attempting to crash the server or exploit parsing vulnerabilities. FortiWeb validates the structure of XML payloads and blocks malformed requests that do not conform to proper XML syntax. To sum it up, FortiWeb's XML protection gives you strong, layered security for XML-based applications. It blocks threats like XXC and schema injection, enforces schema validation, and secures SOAP messages with WS security rules. With built-in signature scanning and support for detecting XML signature wrapping attacks, it helps ensure your XML traffic is both safe and trusted, while still allowing flexibility for trusted sources. Thank you for watching.